Hey everybody, hey, today I wanted to show you something here in a kitchen. It's really important to get planned out before you start the project. So I want to show you an issue that came up here when a change happened and how you can avoid it. So we're going to be talking about kitchen backsplashes. So let's get started. All right, so what we're going to talk about today is we're actually going to look at the layout of these electrical outlet or electrical boxes that are on the wall here in relation to the backsplash that you would have in your kitchen. So what you have here is you have a rough top, which is on top of the cabinet, which is 5/8, and then you're going to have a countertop that's going to be about 3/4 of an inch or so off of this. And then on top of that, you're going to have a 6-inch splash is how this was laid out. So a 6-inch backsplash. So that would be up somewhere in here, plus 3/4 for the height of your countertop. And then this would give you enough space to have your trim come down on this 3-gain electrical switch outlet cover that's here. So that would come down about here and you'd be fine because this backsplash should be running all the way across. So what we're going to do now is this is actually going to get a full height backsplash. It's going to run from the top of the countertop all the way up to the bottom of the cabinet. It'll run all the way down in full height here where you can see behind the stove. It'll go up to the bottom here on the stove. So the issue is when you switch from a 6-inch backsplash, if it's laid out for that, and then these electrical outlets are supposed to be above the splash. When you go all the way full height, you can see right here, if I line this up at the edge of the countertop, which actually would probably be about right here, you see it's marked right here. This is where it'll have the edge detail that comes out to here. This is going to come up right here, and that cover plate's going to just be barely missing. It's going to miss, it's going to be hanging out on the drywall some, past the backsplash. So what we don't want to do is we don't want that to happen. So this is now going to have to get moved all the way over into here so we can get this to be in the splash. So the edge of the splash will run up to here, and then this will move over so then the plate will fit nicely on top of the backsplash. Now, when you want to actually address this and this backsplash height is once the framing is done and before the electrical rough-in happens. So typically what we do is we have a walkthrough with the electrician and the interior designer. They will come in and they'll actually lay all this out. So we'll say, hey, look, we need a 6-inch splash here. We're going to have a full height splash. And then because of that, this would affect where this goes. So we either have to get this box, if you've got a full height splash, we got to get this box completely out of here so it's outside of the drywall, or we got to have it all the way inside of the splash so we can make sure that we don't have an issue here where it's actually hitting. So what you just want to make sure that this is addressed as early on as you can. It's going to save you money by not having to make changes like this where you have to move things later. It's easier to get them done during that electrical boxing phase. So make sure you know what your selection is going to be. Your design's going to be on those backsplashes, and it'll really help you as far as getting things planned out and spaced out right. So, all right, I hope you learned something new about planning for backsplashes. Make sure you do it during that electrical box out phase. If you'd like more information about building a custom home, building an ADU, or doing a whole house remodeling project, make sure you visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. Go to our resources page. We've got a ton of information there on pricing, floor plan. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.